Alright everyone, unboxing, unpackaging today. Trying to go for a new setup here. Let's see what we can do. Hopefully you can hear me okay. I've been ordering a few things lately. I tend to order from the same companies. Okay, it should be 2 items. This is a brand that I have items from already, but they've been kind of fun. I think they're out of Mexico, and I think it's like McKillicop or something. I don't know how to say it, but MCK is the easier way to pronounce it. MCK Store. MCK Store. And this is one that I got before. They're like workout tights, gray ones that can have a mesh in them. People really like the photos on those ones, so they're kind of fun. They held up pretty good. The company's based out of the Yucatan in Mexico, handmade in the Yucatan. And I got these last time and they were pretty cool, but the smell when they were unpackaged was terrible. I had to put them outside for a while. So hopefully I don't have that issue. Yeah, a little bit. Ooh, a little bit. That's some strong stuff. So these are mediums. Look, I have a gray one, and the thing with these is they have this new style. I think it's expose. Read. No, expose I believe was the old one that I already have. So this is the Glory Mesh. So I got this men's medium hoist McKillicop Glory Mesh hoist thong. And basically the holes are larger in this version. And then I got some tights, the Glory Mesh tights in black. I just got a feeling these are not going to smell very good. So again, the holes are a bit bigger. They got the drawstring, which I found for these types of tights, if you're actually going to wear them, they're important. You do need these. I have other brands like Intuin and sometimes Rough Skin that they are going to fall down on you, and it's kind of goofy. Yeah, I don't know what the deal is. They pump chemicals in these things. It smells terrible. You're washed and keep outside for a while, but after that they're just fine. So again, mediums, 82% nylon, 18% lycra, very stretchy, and just kind of matching garments here. And you can see you'll know what's going on there. So just normal tights, fairly standard cuff at the bottom. They're full length. These did fit me really well. Man, these got like formaldehyde or something in them. Keep the bugs out, I don't know. You get these washed right away. So what do you think? This is a new brand for me, at least in 2020. The thong has a kind of a bulge cut. It has a traditional T-back, which this is my style. I like the more traditional T-back with a little bit more fabric on back, just because I think it's more interesting instead of just a string. So let me try these on. They're very snug. They're pretty comfortable. I do like the tie. You need that, is given how tight they are. Very mesh-like. Now, would you wear these to the gym? Should I wear them to the gym? My own gym, at least. You can definitely tell what I got on it underneath. Or not. These are mediums. I'm pretty tall, and They stretch a lot. The length is good. They do take a little bit of time to put on. They feel pretty comfortable. Okay. T-shirt. You cinch it. This is a Lululemon 5-year tee, a newer one from 2020. They changed the cut a little bit. Maybe. All right, this is just the MCK store website. It's a pretty clean website. Again, I'm not affiliated with them at all, but if you want to learn more about the brand and this company, there's kind of a history based in Mexico. They have pretty good laid out products, masks, shorts. Don't want to show you too much here. Good FAQ. Got wish list functionality. And I like that their contact information and the website tree is very clean. So it's a pretty good website. So far happy with the products. Please don't forget to subscribe. Tell me what you think. Where should I wear these? Where would you wear these? Would you wear them at all? So they are quite mesh-like. Yes, you can wear this under this, which I plan to do, but both are going to be holy. So you could wear normal shorts, briefs, whatever you want under this, even shorts on top. But for me, for fun, I'm going to wear these two together. Thanks for watching. And again, don't forget to subscribe. Check out some of my other links. Bye, everyone.